Your family came from Galicia, and Galicia, it used to be this strange territory somewhere in between today Poland, Ukraine, Slovakia, and other country. How did you feel when you crossed the Ukrainian border?
Yes, especially that my family suffered a lot there. But, you know, with all interviews we made with survivors, we from different nations, different religions, we hear this message: talk to people, not to nations. And I agree with this. So my first travel to Ukraine was so full of fear and prejudices and this family memory from 70 years ago. I could not struggle with this until I met people, until I started to talk to them, until they started to help me to make research, and we built this close contact. This helped me a lot to not think anymore like my family is thinking, you know, with this fear which is building so strong aggression. An unfinished story, the things which they left everything, they were escaping from this area with children, and that's all. A lot with alive, so already a lot, but this memory is very painful. And I was the first one, together with my husband. We went 7 years later, after these bad things which happened there, to the place where my mother was born, to the house, to the school of my grandfather. And we had big luck to meet people which welcome us and which were very nice, which were not aggressive. This was like a healing, very strong healing process for whole family, not only for me. That's why I say very often in Poland that when someone is coming to your home and is saying that he was the owner, it's mainly the Jewish houses, yeah, of the place. Never take the dog against him or never scream. Just welcome and take to the place. Because very often this is this spiritual, and not only spiritual, end of the tragic story. When people sit together at the table, which probably belonged to the grandparents of some of our parents. This is a very strong healing process, very helpful and very beautiful moment, and precious.